What's going on, guys? My name is Tony. Today I will show you that how can you solve this problem which GTA Vice City.exe has stopped working. There are too many games which give these exact same problem. What you have to do to solve this problem is just go to your file explorer. After that, go to your this PC and go for properties. Okay, then you will have to go for advanced system settings, then choose settings. After that, go for custom and choose data execution prevention. After that, go for add and add your game, or you can choose any location where your game is located now. So my game is located in my disk not yes, disk C. So we'll have to open this and apply it, then close everything and try your game once again, as you are trying too many times for it. So this works. My game just started. So what you have to do for this video, I mean for me, is just scroll down in the comment section below and comment how my video was and what you want later, or for, I mean, I need a topic, right, to make a videos. So just give me the topic in the comment section below. I'll be waiting for, and I will read your comment soon. And just like and subscribe my video. Bye bye, see you soon, have a nice day.